Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exhilarating live trading session from Friday, June 20th. This isn't just any session, it's a glimpse into my journey towards getting funded, and I'm going to share with you my exact trading plan to securing that all-important first payout. I'll share my exact strategy I'm implementing, how much I'm risking, the pairs I'm trading, and more. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, you'll get insights that can help shape your own trading journey. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss the action ahead. Let's jump right in. Alright, looking at US30, looks like we had a crazy bullish move over the night. It's looking pretty bullish here. You see we had this big bullish move right here. So it's looking pretty trendy. I want to be bullish today, looking for longs, but I need to see a pullback. Ideally, I want to see price come down to here. We get our entry and then we push up. But if we run these highs and break above here before we pull back, then I probably won't take anything today just because it's Friday and it's looking pretty trendy. So if it runs this high and then comes back down to this area, I don't think I would feel comfortable to want to take the trade, because at that point then price could just keep on dumping very easily. So we'll just wait to see what happens. Hopefully we can get a retracement down into our area, get an entry, and then it could be a fast day. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go with 5 contracts on the micros, 100-point stop. I'll be looking for 200 points or so. I always put it just a little bit above so I could clear the fees. So we got less than a minute to 9:30 market open. So far no movement at all, like literally zero volume. Right now it's doing absolutely nothing. First trade of the day, we just took longs on US30, 100-point stop, looking to catch 200 points. We were risking 250 to make 500 on this trade. We got this off of a 1 hour fair value gap right here. So let's wait and see what happens. That's TP1. We officially break even on the trade. Damn, it's so ugly. We're about to get stopped out at break even. That's trash. What's happening? How am I still in the trade? Oh, I'm like, what? What was that about? That was weird. Considering taking the same entry again if it comes back to our area. Last trade of the day. We got a 50-point stop. Looking to catch 100 points. Again, we're risking 250 to make 500. First trade, we got stopped out break even. Basically got the entry around the same area. Just looking for less points at this point, since we already got the pullback and got stopped out at break even. So hopefully we get a W right here. See what happens. So close. We're about to hit TP1. Come on, a little bit more, a couple more points. We hit TP1. That's TP1. Break even. Can't lose nothing on this trade. Wow, break even again. Are you kidding me? Break even saved us from an L. So hitting TP1 saved us, because look at that. L averted. Break even day. Alright guys, that is a wrap on the trading week, and I'm not gonna lie, this week's price action was straight garbage truck juice. Trash. We had 1 L and we had 2 break evens for the week, but now that is a wrap, I can finally catch you guys up. So I got funded again. That's right, I got funded again last week. I passed a 50K Apex challenge. This was my first full week trading on the funded account. And if you guys have been following me, then you know that this is not the first time that I have been funded, but I have gotten 0 payouts as many times as I've been funded. And if you have not been following me, what are you even doing? Hit that subscribe button and make sure that you follow my journey, because this time is going to be different. This time, I'm going to follow a strict trading plan, the same trading plan that has gotten me funded 4 times this year. Now, the problem in the past was that after I got funded, I was not following my trading plan. I kept rushing trying to get a payout. I was focused too much on the money, and that was my biggest downfall. But this time, I'm not doing that. We are going to follow our strict trading plan, and guess what? I'm going to share that trading plan with you guys today so that you can possibly implement that to get funded and get to your next payout too. What pairs am I trading? So I'm only going to be trading US30 and NAS100, obviously on the future side. So that's going to be YM and NQ. But not only am I trading only those 2 pairs, but I am also only trading the micros for YM and NQ. So I will be trading MYM and MNQ only. I am only going to be risking $250 per trade, and I'm looking to make $500 per trade. So I'm looking for a 1 to 2, and we're only allowing ourselves 3 trades maximum per day. Now, that does not mean that we're going to take 3 trades a day. That doesn't even mean that we're going to take 2 trades a day. It just means that on any given day, the maximum amount of trades that I'm going to allow myself is 3 trades. So how does that work? If I win my first trade, I'm done for the day. If I lose my first trade, I can take another trade. If my first trade is a break even, I can take another trade. If I lose 2 trades in a row, I am done for the day. If I get 2 break evens in a row, I can take a third trade. What time am I going to be trading? I only trade New York session. I like to trade New York session, but specifically for my funded account, I am only going to be trading between the times of 9:30 and 11 a.m. I will only be trading from market open until 11 a.m. If I don't see an entry or I don't get a win by 11 a.m., I am done for the day. We're not trading anymore, or we're not trading at all for the day. That's just the time that I see that the 2 pairs that I'm trading have the most volume and are more likely to give me the setup that I'm looking for. Now, I trade Monday through Friday with the VIP Trading Network. If you guys want to join the VIP Trading Network, definitely check out the link in the description below. We trade live Monday through Friday, and I have gotten funded 4 times trading with this strategy, and this strategy is going to lead me to my very first payout. But let's get back into the trading plan. If we win 2 days in a row, we will not trade the third day. If we lose 2 days in a row, we will not trade the third day. If we win the first day, lose the second day, or vice versa, then we can take a trade the third day. But if we win 2 days in a row or we lose 2 days in a row, we're not trading on the third day. We're going to take a break, because that helps us with the psychology to be able to not get too big-headed when you're winning, but also not get too low on your lows when you're losing. So it's always good to kind of take a little break if you're on a little bit of a streak. So I'm only going to be trading 2 strategies, and that's going to be false breakouts, and then the other one is going to be fair value gap fills. Once we get to 1-to-1, we will move our stops to break even. So let's do a quick recap. We're only going to be trading US30 and NAS100. We're only going to be risking $250 per trade, looking for a 1-to-2 risk to reward. We're only going to be trading New York session between 9:30 and 11 a.m. We have a 2-day streak rule, so if we win 2 days in a row or we lose 2 days in a row, we will not trade the third day. The only 2 strategies that we're going to be trading are false breakouts and fair value gap fill. And once we get to 1-to-1, we'll go break even on the trade. I know what you guys are possibly thinking. What the hell is a false breakout, or what the hell is a fair value gap fill? Those are very good questions. So make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, because in my next video, I'm going to break down what is a false breakout and what is a fair value gap fill. And I'm going to go through it step by step so that you guys can learn the strategy and take advantage of it as well. So like I said, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely hit that bell notification, because you are not going to want to miss this one. And of course, stay blessed.